What's up, guys? Rick's here from Rick's Subaru. We have a very special day today. First off, sorry about the lawnmower. You guys mowed his yard at freaking 6 o'clock at night. Freaking heathens. Very special day. We got our exhaust in, right? I got it off eBay. Thank you. It was cheap. And the reason why I got it off eBay is because I don't care about the exhaust. I wanted the exhaust because it has a silencer. Because I need that to not piss off this neighbor who mows his lawn at 6 o'clock at night. Okay, heathen. But I was going to do an unboxing here. Got my vape here. Because Subaru got its vape. Sick clouds, bro. Alright, so we're going to open it up, see what's in this puppy. You got the muffler. Looks like I'm going to need a knife. So glad that I brought mine. Oh, super small string. Okay, that worked. See if we can break this one. Jesus. A little violent, but it worked. As you can see, it's going to scratch all the way around it. But, I mean, I'm going to be honest with you. Looks alright. It is the N1 type by, what is this by? High Performance Catback Exhaust System by the TT series by Spec-D tuning. So, I would do it before on my look at that. Look at that blue. That's pretty cool. It actually says Spec-D Racing on it right there. A little scratched up, a little scuffed up. Got the silencer inside. But overall, it's pretty. Not as pretty as an exhaust can be. What I have read, oh, look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but the gasket's jacked up. All kinds of jacked up. Huh. We'll be replacing that anyway. We do have our cutout. Our cutout's been here for a while. I'm just going to set that down, get it out of the way. See what else is in this box. And we got the mid pipe. Let's go ahead and check this gasket. See if it's jacked up too. And this gasket's not bad. It's alright. It'll work. And this one obviously doesn't have a gasket because the gasket's on the other side. But from what I've heard about these and what I've read is that the flanges don't line up that great. And that's not great. But what we're going to do, get this stuff out of the way, and we're going to get to putting it on. Alright folks, so we got the bolt sprayed down with some lube. Let it sit for a little while. Got the car up on jack stands safely. I'm just going to do the back first, and then we'll loose bolt the front. I think that should get us all the way to where we need to be. Hey neighbor. So I'm sure everybody's going to do this their own way. That's the wrong size. But my thing first is I'm going to get it off here. And then I'll pull my rubbers off. This one's a 17 millimeter. The new one is a 16 millimeter. I'm going to put that right there and probably forget it later. Because that's what I do. These are probably going to break. It's an old exhaust. I think it is spinning. And there's grass underneath here, which is fun. You can kind of see the back side of it here. I would turn the camera around, but I can't reach it. Okay. That should do it. I can't even get my other arm under there. I thought I may need to go up a little bit higher. Oh God, arm strength. Arms don't fail me now. 33 years. It would be nice if I had another ratchet, but I don't. I actually don't even know where my other ratchet's at. That PB lube that we put on there was great.
I'll stand back.
I think I'm spinning off by hand now. It's a little rusted. I don't even know what this Frankenstein exhaust is that's on this thing. I'll show y'all when I get it out. It's definitely a looker. I'm gonna try to reach that from this side because I'm cool like that. I just got too much recording equipment over there. Is that a different size nut? Oh, this was on it, right? And now I will show you acrobatics. Underneath the car. Oh, you gotta be shitting me. I need a long socket. That's right. Aerobatics. That was too easy. Ah. Yeah. Okay. Somebody's pit bull casually walking around outside. That would be so much fun. Being attacked by a pit bull. Alright, let's see what that shows you there. You better not come over here. Yeah, you piss on my mailbox. Just leave me alone. I love dogs, but yeah, piss on the other side too. You're here. We have a lot more room. Of course, that one is a 15 millimeter. Maybe even 14. What? Shit. That's my neighbor and his Dodge Challenger. The dog is looking at me. You know, I guess at this point, we just take the whole dang thing off. Pop it out of its hooks. I don't know if you can see this hanger. That's not a hanger. This is it. Looks like I'm gonna have to put a little lube, probably. It's all gummed up. I'll put a towel under there in case I want to take a nap. I got some silicone spray, but I'm using a regular PB blaster. I'll have to kind of dry off the part where I'm going to be handling it. And whoops. Oh well. Because it's in good condition. This other one back here, also in good condition.
Stand back.
I'm gonna pull out this muffler so you guys can see it. Oh my goodness, what a Einstein of a piece this is. Frankenstein. Oh my goodness. What a Frankenstein of a piece. Alright, so here was the problem. This part of the exhaust, as you can see, was slapping the ground, and I actually cracked it right here. Cracked it all the way down. Here, you can also see a flat spot here where it hit the ground. This little hook has been welded. It's got an exhaust clamp on a piece up here that they just pieced together. This was welded on aftermarket, it looks like. Anyway, custom exhaust. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go up in here. My guy, this Challenger. It sounds good. Just make sure you can see. So I guess. I'm glad that wasn't a beer. I mean, I don't drink. You could put lube on these to slide them on, but I'm going to be honest with you. There's not even a point. Okay. Oh, she's put snug in there. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Snug as a rug. I'm not worried about dinging and scuffing this thing up because I'm painting it all black. Looks like this is a custom weld job. I guess we'll just leave it like it. Alright. Ah, fuck. Spilled my beer. Good thing I got this towel here. We're gonna wrap it up for now, because today is a no-go.
Well, stand back.
What's up, guys? Rick's here for Rick's Subaru. The exhaust did not go as planned. We got the old exhaust off. Got it off the hangers. Got it completely out. Unbolted everything with the old exhaust. And then ran into an issue. And you already seen it earlier. The old owner had it welded, custom fabrication work done on it. So basically what I had to do was take it down to the muffler shop and have them insert a couple little pieces in there for me. But they're only gonna charge me, I think he said $100 to do it. So I was like, oh yes, thank you, that's perfect. So I got some video footage of my car with just the downpipe straight out. I have some video footage from a truck from an employee that worked there, and then a cool dude that I met, Gage, that I just met. He was getting an exhaust pit on his little Dodge Magnum. That thing is pretty sweet, sounds good. He had some Flowmasters put on, and they dropped the Flowmasters all the way in behind the cab. So we'll have video in there of the footage of the employee's truck. He's got this huge muffler ear on it. Gage's car. Thanks, my guy, for letting me take the video. And thanks again for shooting the video on my car, or revving it up for me anyway. Yeah, so what they're doing for the Subaru is they're going to be going from the downpipe, going back to the second O2 sensor that's in the back. And they're going to, it didn't have a flange because the guy cut stuff off and welded it. I don't know, he did all kinds of weird stuff, and it was not great welding work. But anyway, so what we are going to do is we're going to put the QTP cutout in there, and then I'm going to wire it in once I get it back. So the QTP cutout, it's going to go in there. It's going to have the little tip going down, and then it'll have a piece of pipe that they're going to weld in, and I'll show you guys that. And then the exhaust is a N1 type exhaust. I mentioned the name and the brand and stuff of it earlier in the video, so you can rewind and listen to that. But it also has one of those little silencers that you stick in the muffler. So I'm thinking I'm going to be silent when I want to be, and I'm going to be loud when I want to be, and when I want to shoot flames. And that being said, here's all the videos for the exhaust. Thanks for watching. Again, please hit the subscribe button and like if you like the content. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Got more stuff coming.
Ah.